Lesson 2.7, Graphing Inequalities. So how do we graph y equals 4x minus 3? Hopefully you remember. You go down 3, up 4, over 1. Connect the dots. So rather than regraph it, how would I change this into y is greater than or equal to 4x minus 3? The answer is you would say greater than. You can check a point if you want. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Greater than is above the graph or to the right of the graph. Check above first. And if above doesn't work, you'll see what I mean in a little bit. Then go to the right. Let's check 0, 0 to make sure it works. And you can always check a point. 0, 0 is right here, so it should work. It's in the part of the graph we shaded. Is 0 greater than 4 times 0 minus 3? Is 0 greater than negative 3? Check. It works. So that's one of the two things to watch out for. Where do we graph? The other thing to watch out for is solid or dotted line. I'll explain what I mean by that in a moment. I'll also explain what I mean by above or to the right for a greater than. So this one does not have an equals then, so we're going to make a dotted line. But we have to do a little work first. X is greater than 5. So we go over to x is 5. And like I said, it's greater than, so let's graph above. Well, in this case, there is no above. It's either left or right, so we graph to the right. That's greater than. Notice the line is dotted because we do not have an equals sign. And that is really it. These problems get a little more complicated where we put absolute values in, multiple equations, things like that. But we're just going to keep it simple for now. Here are 3 examples for you to try. Pause the recording if you want, because otherwise I'm just going to do them relatively quickly. This is greater than, so we're going above. Now, I like to check to make sure I did it right, so I'm going to pluck this point off here. This is the point 0, 2. I'm going to see if it works. 0 plus 2 times 2 should be greater than 0. 4 is greater than 0. Check. It's a good idea. Try the next one. Now we're in the less than range, so we want to go to the left. We can check 0 if you want. Is 0 minus 4 less than or equal to negative 1? Negative 4 is less than or equal to negative 1. Yes. And one more to try. So I've got a y is greater than -3, so it's dotted. And greater is everything above. Try 0, 0. Is 0 greater than -6? Yes, it is. Looks like we did it right. Not the world's most challenging unit, but get it right. Don't forget the dotted lines. Check a point so if you get off base, you know what you're doing, and it's good practice for when you're graphing. Good luck.